Hey guys, we're going to Mexico in this video, and I thought it would be a really cool idea for me to vlog my trip in Mexico, but not only worrying about vlogging, but showing you guys my wig. Now, I am a huge believer that wigs are just not for a vacation. I don't care what no one says. It can be very uncomfortable. It can be very needy. It's like that boyfriend that just needs a lot of attention and you don't want to give it attention, but you know in order to keep the relationship, you have to give it attention, right? So in order to keep it looking good, you got to give it attention. So with this video, I am wearing a wig from Hairvivi. As you can see, the hairline is amazing. It's clear, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, all the above. And that's one of the reasons why I really love Hairvivi. Even now, without the wig being installed on my head, it still looks freaking amazing. So I thought this would be the best wig to wear to Mexico, and that's what I did. So what I'm gonna be doing right now is installing it. And guys, please don't kill me, but I installed this wig, and I guess I was editing this video last month, and I don't know where the other half of the footage is, so sorry. This spray, guys. So in this video, I'm gonna highlight this spray because it's amazing. Guys, I fell off the jet skis. I have to keep saying this because I fell off twice, and this product kept my wig snug and stuck on my head, okay? I also love it because it does not flake up. It does not turn white. Now, the smell is very smelly, but it's only smelly while you're installing it. It just smells very strong. However, if you are looking for a product that is stronger than Gotta Be glue, but you don't want to actually use glue, like the actual glue that comes in that little short tube, I would say invest in this. So again, sorry for me losing the footage, but I got a lot of other footage for you guys to enjoy. After this, we went blank, and this was my wig on the plane. So you can see it looks good. I just basically did my same old install. After that, I finally got into the car. My ride was available, and I was just so impressed by this wig. The hair is so soft, it's so silky. And throughout this video, I'm going to be showing you guys me with the wig and several different views and so forth. So I wanted to start off by giving this place a really cool tour. So showing you guys that now. All right, guys, we are here. I fell just twice and my wig did not move. I don't want to pull it though, because if I pull it while it's still wet, I don't want it to like lift, but literally head underneath in the middle of here, and my wig is still fully intact. But this is the end of that same day. I didn't get a chance to wash my hair yet because we might go in the pool. So I was like, does it make sense to wash my hair if I might get it messed up? So this is it. But I did have a headband. Like, I tied my headband into like a bandana type of thing so that it could like push my hair down. So it doesn't look so bad. I'm gonna have to probably do a voiceover because you can hear the music in the back and I don't want to get copyrighted. So we just got back to the house and this glue is holding up, so I don't want to have to wash my hair. All right, y'all, so this is the end of the night. I basically had to rewash my entire hair. I'm not gonna go too much into detail because I'm gonna show you guys this, well, explain to you guys in the next scene. But you guys, we were in the pool for hours. When I say hours, I mean hours. So eventually my hair just got wet and I was like, fuck it. I was like, it is what it is. Like, we on vacation. That's one thing about me. I love water. Like, I'm not going to be the kind of person that's like, I can't get my hair wet because I don't want to, you know, I like to swim, you know? Hey guys, good morning. Today is the second day. It's Saturday, and I basically last night spent the whole, well, not really, it only took me like 2 hours or 1.5 to rebraid my entire hair. And the only reason why I rebraided my entire hair is because if you guys remember when I fell off the jet skis, obviously that was salt water, and I was in the shower and I was like, just keep the braids in until you go home. And I'm like, damn, salt water, I don't want my hair to break. So what I basically had to do, when I was in the shower, I kind of like felt for it, and they felt like they were getting matted already because they were just sitting under the wig, and we went in the water for hours in the pool. And I was like, yeah, nah, I'm not chancing it. I had to unbraid my hair, rebraid my hair, and then I couldn't find none of my combs or brushes. I was just like, great. But I made it work. My braids look awful, and that's okay, but they're flat. Then I went ahead and installed my wig, same hairspray and everything, which I'll insert clips as I'm talking to you guys. Then I flat ironed it, but I didn't style it, so I don't know how my hair looks underneath here. But to keep it nice and flat, I do have a headscarf on, and I use this to keep the hair flat. I didn't put the back of the hair in a ponytail because, I didn't put it in the back of a ponytail. I'm using the back camera on my phone because it's more like cleaner. But I didn't put my hair in a ponytail so that it wouldn't have undone any of like the flat ironing and work that I did already. And then I put my bonnet on to kind of just keep the hair from getting any more frizzy. So that is where we're at. But let me take it down. I'm gonna take it down and show you guys. Also guys, never come on vacation with your lashes like this. They just look awful, and they actually hurt. They hurt, like all right here. I didn't bring my tripod or anything, guys. So we're gonna see what this looks like. I'm gonna brush it out, but so far so good. And I'm gonna curl it. I'm just brushing out my edges and like the areas around. I'm gonna spray this just to help keep the hairs in place so that I don't have to do baby hairs or fix my hairline throughout the day. So that's a quick little tip for you. I don't know what the hell's in this spray. It smells crazy now, I'm gonna tell y'all that. But it's wowing me. I'm very wowed by this product. Like, if you have not looked at this or invested in this or bought this, you might need to get this. Like, when I fell off the jet skis, I'm telling y'all, my wig did not like nudge at all. Like, I thought it was gonna fall into the ocean. I was worried about two things when I fell off the jet skis: my wig and sharks. I didn't care about nothing else. And I'm telling you, like, all right, that's all I'm gonna do before breakfast. When I come back, I'm gonna style my hair for you guys. Okay? But yeah, this is where we're at. Redid my makeup today, and it looks so good. This is my second time having my makeup professionally done, and she did it so good. The makeup artist herself.
Came out so good.
It came out great.
You look beautiful.
Thank you, and I'm gonna get some content for you.
Okay, snap it back.
Ooh, I even hear the music. It's relaxing. Oh, he started already. I didn't know the body.
I'm putting this on my feed.
Hey guys, happy Sunday. So today we are just chilling. I think Ka is about to just spruce up a little bit so we can take some photos on this last day. I think I'm gonna curl my hair today just to like add a little pizzazz to this video. It's hot. No, it's hot. It's really hot. But yeah, yesterday we went out to a restaurant. Like a lounge type of club type of thing. I think it was called, I forget. So yeah, we went there. It was cool. It didn't start getting busy until like 10ish because we got there kind of early. Drank a lot. Oh, there was this really cool shot that had fire in it. I don't know what it was in it, but that was good. But anyways, hair update. So this is the hair still. Right here did lift a little because I was washing my makeup off like really hard yesterday because I had like a full face. So right here and right here lifted, which is cool. I'm gonna just spray it back. Actually, I don't even have to spray it, but yeah. But the hair still feels really good. I didn't re-straighten it or anything yesterday. I just left it. I think tomorrow I'm just gonna add some. Today I'm gonna add some curls, as I said earlier. But that's all. Alright guys, hello. Today we're getting massages. So excited. Yeah, I'm ready. Hey guys, today is the last day that we are in Mexico. I'm so sad. They're all going to California after for cos part 2 of his birthday, and I have to go home because I have to prepare for this wig sale that is in like 2 days. So if you already watched this before, if you watch this after the wig sale, ignore this. So my hair got a little bit wet. I'm not gonna really curl it. The car should be here to pick us up in like 10 minutes, so I don't want to have like my hot curling iron in my hands, so we're gonna just not do that. But yesterday I went in the pool a little bit, and right here the hair got a little bit wet, so it has like a nice like wave to it, as you can see. So I'm curious to know how the rest of the hair would look when the whole thing is wavy. All right, so let's look at this wig up close. So I didn't add on any, I might have makeup on it, so it might look a little discolored, but I did a little touch up on the corners because those parts were peeling back. Like I think this part is like peeled back. I didn't do anything here. I literally just woke up. I didn't even tie my hair down. Like I got really too lit yesterday and I didn't eat enough, so it instantly did its magic. So by 6 p.m. I was knocked out. Woke up at 4 a.m. like I am highly impressed with that spray. I feel like with Gotta Be Glue holding spray, it gets a little white and crusty, and I feel like with this one it didn't get as white. It didn't get white or crusty, so highly impressed. Definitely worth every, I think it was what, $11. Definitely worth it. Hair company ever. People always ask me like, what's your favorite hair company? HairVivi, worth every dollar. It's a couple of hundreds. So when you first get it, you're gonna have to maneuver and do certain things to it, like just to keep our hair nice and flat. But for the most part, this wig, A1. The scalp, everything. I put makeup on maybe the first day or right after I washed it, and it stayed on. I didn't have to redo anything, and it just looks really good, guys. So you want your money's worth, you want a good wig with good hair, good lace, just saying. I would have shown you guys my hair products, but I didn't bring any hair products. I don't know what I packed for, because I did not pack properly. So all I brought was my brush, the hairspray, curling irons, and wigs. No hair products. So don't be like me.